right, welcome back. Now, I thought you said today we're going to be sport analysts because you get one or two things where you need to learn from the fight between Sunday Olise and Vincent Eyama, our captain for the Super ex-captain. But they're still talking. Maybe he might come back.
X.
Okay, let's put it X.
because we never start the story, but because if he come back, for me, I go say shame on Vincent.
All right, so why she actually keep her words for now in terms of shame on Vincent, I'm going to need to tell you some kind of things where they happen between Sunday Olise and Vincent Eyama. Now the fights don't turn international because now he's no longer the captain of the Super Eagles. It all come outside there apologized to the nation on why he decided to retire as the captain of Super Eagles. We can hear what he actually talk for Instagram. He said, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of whatsoever, I fear no evil, for thou, O God Jehovah, is with me.
Hallelujah.
I didn't have a problem with Chief Onigbinde. It mentioned a lot of people, Eguavon, Bertie Vox, Lagerback, Keshi. He said he not get problem with them. He said even when they injured, he not get problem with them. He said it was a match against Uganda that we won 1-0. The coach decided to stick with Austin Ejite after that match because Austin actually played a good game. He said one question to everyone. Who would be happy after just burying your mother that carried you for 9 months in the womb and suffered for you day and night, jumping on a 6-hour plane to represent your fatherland only to be stripped of the captainship and humiliated at the first meeting in front of everyone after serving the nation for 13 years. Now, Ikokomasa talks in my decision to quit the national team is for the best or interest of the nation. I don't want to be the reason that Nigerian football don't they divided. I want to make Nigeria get back up to where it belongs. It's a professional decision made for the blessing of the nation. I did very sorry for the decision I don't actually take. Now, taking from waiting you actually talk, he say, who go they happy after you don't go bury your mama? And then you don't fly after burying your mother with the pain and everything. You fly, go field, only for them to give you another bad news. After coming from home, bad news, only for them to give you another bad news, say, sorry, you're no longer the captain of the Super Eagles. He said, Ugo actually they happy. Now you don't come outside, apologize to the nation. Ladies, let's talk about Vincent and Olise in this particular one. In this particular case, you feel, say, there is an issue of pride in it or bad leadership? Because some people, once they are leaders, they're not happy to take the people along. They feel, say, because I be leader, you're supposed to be under my armpits.
Sunday Olise, Abi, and Vincent Eyama. First of all, I go say, a lot of people need to realize the fact that when they do work, whether on a football, on a white-collar job, on a vocational job, you need to take your job seriously. It be like when you did the military. If you did military, if you did online, and they tell you, say, your mama don't die, you know fit blink one eye, talk less of, say, you won't shed tears because say, your mama don't die, because you day on the job. When you day off the job, if you won't cry, you won't roll for inside mode, nobody go stop you, you understand? So for me, I feel, say, like Sunday Olise talk said, they don't get discipline for inside Super Eagles. I go agree with him to an extent. Yes, it is very painful and hurtful, so you lose your mama and everything. Even if not be your mama, even if not ordinary friend, once you lose a loved ones, I feel, say, at least all of us for here, we feel relate to them in one way or the other, how they feel to lose a loved one. But at the end of the day, no matter how many years you say you want mourn, whoever, life goes on. You need to think beyond that immediate factor of, say, okay, I lose this person. For me now, I go say a bit of pride and emotional instability, they worry Vincent. The fact, okay, he knows his mama and he know they at a very good place. And then a bit of pride of which Ingo they think to himself, say, okay, he no need Super Eagles, say if he succeed without the Super Eagles, whether or not in the team or not, because of course in they play internationally. But he needs to realize, say, because they give scenario of, may we assume, say, in only club na Super Eagles, and he never make name for himself, he just the start. Believe you me, whether he lose his mama and papa the same day, Vincent for sure up for camp. And even if you not show up at the appropriate time, if I don't call 1 or 2 people, say, okay, oh, then like this is they go. You not go take laws into your own hands because say you be captain or because say you don't arrive and you feel say you feel do anything. We don't hear a lot of stories about these Super Eagles. Some of them they go tell them say resume on social day, but because they feel say internationally, then they bigger than life or larger than life, then go feel say okay, any day where I want show up, I go show up because I know get replacement or because they feel say the Super Eagles no fit just do away with them. Then get a limited number of people where then fit put in their place. And it didn't wrong because for me that now waiting they spoil the team. So concerning Vincent, the story where I hear from Sunday side now be say then get delegates where then they attend to, and because Vincent just come in that day, he don't know what they don't discuss before then. So him as captain on a normal ground, and he's supposed to introduce the members. When they say okay, introduce members, he won't come stand up as captain, but you don't forget say you know set example as captain when you come in late. So a disciplining coach have to tell him say okay, you know sit down, you know get right to do that. So I just be like mama where the caution picking say no, you don't do this thing well, sit down. You won't come say oh because of that one I go disown my mama, she embarrass me in front of people. No, he did wrong. For me that's a very drastic decision when you make, and out of pride and arrogance.
Well, you know, when as you talk and when she read the whole story, I just look and say, yes, if you say you won't come out, I don't see waiting stop you. I don't think they drive and come out. They don't drive and come out. They just try and say you don't come. They don't come out the captainship from your hand. You know me say no if you become captain again, Abi.
Maybe but they come out for your hand. What you go do again?
No, you still feel stay. At least you go still be footballer for the team. You still be a team. There's nothing as good as teamwork. If they play football na teamwork. No one person they play match. Now many play match up to I know to sabi football like that. But I know say no one person they play match. No one person they kick ball to score. All of them need to play ball together now. Yes. At least they get captain, they get coach, they get striker, they get keeper, midfielder. They get all of them for one thing. All of them get their part to them they play. If they come out from captain, at least you go still be one of the way they play the ball. Other person.
It still be no, it not be who it be because
it still be the goalkeeper.
Make I explain something to you. For inside this football politics there everywhere. It be like say make them strip chairman of APC or be post of APC, but they can't say okay still be member. It not be the same thing because people where you've been there thank you. People where you've been there rule over before, then you can't at the same level. Then be like demotion sort of.
I understand, but where may they come from? If you demote, if you bring now because it don't carry itself now because of the emotional trauma, I feel because the emotional trauma where they go through. As in, even talk and say how you go feel if you don't travel, come back. We can't come back, can't give you that kind of bad news. Bam, say come out from that captainship. How you go?
Sorry
feel?
To cut you short, Amaka, but I just remember say when according to Sunday as well. Instead when they initially make him coach, in drive actually go Vincent house. Tell them say okay, how we want actually take grow Super Eagles as a team and everything. And Vincent come tell them say oh actually they plan to retire. That now even before all this ones happened. So in already mentioned, I remember a couple of weeks ago they talk about say when you date an office environment, even if you decide say okay you want reach for a high, they talk out until everything done level. But in already they tell Olisa, so actually I want to retire. So you know even they're ready to contribute to what thing they happen at the moment. And Olisa they try to tell them say okay even if you want to retire at least make we try build these people up
first. Okay, now that's for one side too because
for inside Vincent side too you go still understand.
To me, I come from where Vincent they in position. Yes, we understand. Say so the Lucia say he go meet him drive, but so far at the NFF. Politics where they am no be today. Yes. The politics big like this, and we know if he contain them again. To me, I just feel say you know what. Reshuffle and no they bring the same old people again, the same way again. Like our politics for Nigeria take be, now it take be. Yeah, Sunday might just start from the story. If you don't go Vincent Inyama place, and Vincent Inyama don't get his own clique with Onigbide, don't get with Stephen Keshi, don't get with Amadou, you don't get your own clique with them, you don't get in link with them because so far, even when the guy know they do well, Nigerians no celebrate them, but you know what, those coaches where don't live now, where they disgrace them publicly, they celebrated this guy till he become who he be today. You understand? So you not gonna just come from the blues, can't tell me say you won't come ask me how we want make and work. I just talk based on sentiments as human being. Now, if you come professionally, because you come meet you go keep every other thing where don't happen one side and walk along with the person. But as a Nigerian, because a Nigerian will fight for all of us. As a Nigerian, we all know. Once and our Eastern people, we all know once maybe now be the breadwinner for the family, and you expect say in mama die, You understand? The international club no go treat them that way.
They would
They no go treat them that way. So make we know they wound ourselves. You understand? International club no go wound them in the sense that they no go tell and say no go house, come back.
Nobody's saying
You understand? No go house, come back. Then when he come back, they understand say na him mother, he need to go do what he do. Then when he come back, you go tell me say they no talk on phone all through the journey. It's not possible. They must still talk all through the journey when the guy can't even resume camp because nobody has just they come now enter camp. It must maybe overnight or something or in the morning and then they camp in the evening. So when you reach there, you go down reach.
They don't start 2 days before you go.
Yes. Now they talk. I said, but not be just as a fly come, you just enter inside the pitch like that. He go dressing room. You know, say they around. You understand? This same you wait or say you drive, go in house, go talk to Ram.
Why
you for reach out to Ram.
Why did you call him? Have a meeting with him.
Yes, I hear say your mama down. You come later. This is making not happen. But wait, I just tell you this.
No, I understand what you did, but to be fair on Olise say he no fit go the burial, but in
no, we don't say make it go. We don't say make it go the burial. Listen to what I talk now. As he don't come back, and you know say, guy, you don't show. I go stroke you for front of this small boys who because we want to make this thing work out. I go stroke you. So when you show, see us we won't take do am. I'm just saying, just so that because the junior ones go not say yes, discipline day. Because the guy needs to go. Now I don't see pride there. Now where pride for come? The way Olise take approach him, now he give him back.
Yes.
Now the way, see, no matter how you be boss, he gets you talk to cleaner, he go give you back. You can't remember all the years of where you don't read, you get your professor, get your HOD, and today the pikin go rubbish you, go use and clean ground. So it depends on how he take approach him in front of all those small children. I don't say children. I just say small team members, you understand? And the guy go look and say, come on. This is same me way hustle for this thing. This is same me way inside tears, inside everything. And today, at the end of the day, we need to celebrate ourselves. You know what's up. You know what's in the happen, and you can't say see what's in you want to do me. That's a big blow, man. Yes. And if he actually discipline like this, the next people where they inside that team, if you know discipline them like that, then he needs to go. Because those ones to go still do something, yes. No, of course. So he needs to treat them that way so that they too go. But not because inside the team they get their people they bring, they select their boys to go pay them 10%. We know all those ones. So if you go do them, make sure you reach out to all those ones. And Iyama go. And to me, I just feel say 13 years. If you know favor you actually need change. Move on to the next place. Now, they go start to grow somebody else.
So, don't simply apologize now.
No, you don't apologize to Nigeria.
He apologize to Nigerians, not the coach. The coach now decide if he wants him back or not.
Because Olise get that power. Ahmadu Pinnick is about to come and then they go sit down on the particular case. For me, basically, I look at 50-50, not just saying that Olise did the right thing or Vicente did the right thing.
No,
it's actually 50-50. They actually come from where they actually come from. Now, put it in our own Nigeria context. They're not going to do one for like this if it's an international scene. And apart from that, international footballers are more professional. Now, if you're not going to come to camp, excuse me, if you are not going to come to camp, when they call you, say, maybe you can't come.
You tell your manager.
And say, I'm sorry, I cannot come. This is what is actually happening. But I don't see cases, even for here, you get company. You feel saying are your own. Because I've been here for 20 years, so nobody has a right. Okay, they know that I lost my mother now, so what is their own? Even though I don't call to give excuse or send a mail to give excuse, they know that I've been playing. I mean, I'm indispensable. Displaceable.
Yes, displaceable.
Because some people, they actually get that attitude. And I'm sure that the attitude, now Vincent Olise actually carry. Vincent Enyama actually carry.
Then Olise and drop
till he actually enter inside camp. Now, for me, I actually go with you talk. Now, if Sunday Olise gets a problem with Vincent Enyama not showing up at the time he's supposed to show up, I believe say before that meeting, because according by the information we hear, they're already there for the meeting when he actually enters. Yes. And then when he enters, when Olise don't they approach talk to them, say, this game wanna play today, I don't really like the practice, wanna not bring them on and everything. Now then he can decide, say, sorry sir, I want to say something. As he raised his hand, say he want to say something. So they say no.
You don't even hear what he wants. Anything. Apologize.
But I'm sorry.
He said no.
You just not come. You never did for the game. I
so
he
got tell Sunday Olise say, excuse me. I want to say something.
Listen to what he talks.
I want to say something. I'm so sorry, please, but I want to say something. And Sunday Olise was like, as far as I'm the coach of this football team, you are not saying anything. Now then, the Wala actually happened. To the extent that, according by Vincent Enyama, Sunday Olise gas stand up, open door, make it come out for because he send them
Come
out.
on, that's too much.
Send them out of the meeting, or because somebody raised their hand to actually.
You not just talk. He raised his hand.
I understand how.
Two wrongs cannot make it right.
Two of them they wrong.
Sunday
like right
they
now.
vex, Vincent they vex.
For me, it's 50-50.
Yeah, now 50-50.
But pride, for me, I see pride on the part of Vincent Eyama in the sense that because you know that you're captain, you don't get good record, and you are indispensable. I see also pride, or rather ego, on the side of the coach, in the sense that this is not the first person you don't get some Brian Reeves tweet. You don't get out with a lot of people because you don't
get records.
You understand? Yeah. So, as a leader, you need to give people opportunity to disgrace themselves. After Vincent Eyama don't talk, then the day you got to say, excuse me, you're just coming. Yeah. You don't know anything that happened. There's a way you can say it and then you go believe
the guy himself go no and he apologized probably. And maybe it was an apology.
We actually talk a lot about this particular one, but you go actually put your mouth inside. Tell us what you think about the fight between Vincent Eyama and Sunday Olise. Enter Twitter at TokTokWazobia or Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Now when we come back after the break, YJ.com outside talk a lot of things. She did ask question, why is it that single women we need to fight for us today honored for inside the society? And also you will see say the man will make Nigeria flag. He thought I don't come outside talk about some things where they affect the man. You want to know about them? Just stay with us. We'll come back very, very soon.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.